Okay, so now let's see. Here I am going to see on the screen. Okay, on the screen I'm going to share the questions so that we can discuss those questions. So in this photo, you can see here the questions. Okay, so here the questions. Now at the bottom of this page, you can see I'm going to zoom it. Okay. So you can see there, question number 6. A retailer purchased an electric bicycle for Rs 35,000. A retailer purchased an electric bicycle for Rs 35,000 and sold at a profit of 16% to a customer. Sold at a profit of 16% to a customer. How much did the customer pay for it with 13% VAT? Okay. What is given here? A retailer purchased means that is the cost price. किनभन्दा त्यसमा profit percent भनेको छ नि. Profit percent. अब profit हुने भनेको कुन प्राइसमा हुन्छ? That is always in cost price. Okay. Loss भयो भने पनि कुन प्राइसमा loss हुन्छ त? It is always in cost price. Okay. That's why here it is given and cost price of an bicycle is given. Cost price of an bicycle is given. Okay. That is electric bicycle. That is CP is Rs 35,000 and profit percent is also given. Profit percent means P percent is also given. That is 16%. Okay. If cost price and profit percent are given, then you can find the selling price. You can easily find the selling price. Okay. And you know the formula also. Selling price. When cost price and profit percent are given, then do you know what is the formula to find the SP? Do you know?
SP is equal to CP plus P percent of SP. And CP.
Okay. CP. Okay. That is also the correct formula. SP equals to CP plus P percentage of CP. Okay. That is one formula. Another one shortcut formula also there.
That's the SP with VAT is S plus percent of SP.
That is another formula. Okay, to find the final answer, there is another shortcut formula.
100.
Okay. 100 plus P percent divided by 100, and then in the numerator into CP. Okay, that is absolutely correct. So I think you can find this one also. Okay, that is the way to find. यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले for an electric bicycle भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो. For an electric bicycle, cost price CP equals to Rs 35,000. Profit percent P percentage equals to 16%. Then you can find selling price. Therefore, selling price SP equals to any one of those two formula you can use. Okay. Umang has also told the formula that also you can use. Yeah, Sudin also told that one also you can use. Okay, any formula you can use and find SP. And then after finding SP, VAT percent is also given here. So ultimately we have to find here SP with VAT. SP with VAT means SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Find the customer. Okay. So कसैलाई problem छ भने चाहिँ भन्ने है. Okay. Problem छ गरिदिनु पर्छ. If I have to do this question on the board, then I will do. Okay. If you have any problem, do you think I have to do this question on the board? Okay. Okay, no. If so, then let's move to the another question then. Okay, now question number 6B. A dealer bought digital watches at Rs 5,500 per piece. Okay, here it is given per piece. अब हामीलाई अब per piece नै भनेको छ. हाम्रो लास्ट सम्ममा पनि त्यही per piece कै फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने हो. यहाँ per piece ले हामीलाई केही फरक पार्दैन. Okay, because we have to find per piece. Ultimately, also we have to find for per piece. A dealer bought digital watches at Rs 5,500 per piece and fixed the price of each watch to make 20% profit. Okay, that means cost price is 5,500 and 20%. Okay. Then from there you can find the selling price. Then you can find the selling price.
Sir, same to रहेछ
same
to रहेछ
हो अलिकति ट्विस्ट के हो भने यसमा चाहिँ 20% प्रफिट बनाउने गरेर फिक्स गर्यो भनेको छ त्यो भनेको मार्क प्राइस फिक्स गरेको मार्क प्राइस हामीलाई चाहिँदै चाहिँदैन यो क्वेशनमा हो किन मार्क प्राइस नचाहिएपछि नो नीड टु थिंक अबाउट द मार्क प्राइस तर अब जेनरली डिलरले के गर्छ त अब वाच ल्याइसके पछाडी उले कस्ट प्राइस उसको भइहाल्छ प्रफिट कति आउने गरेर फिक्स गर्यो भन्छ 20% प्रफिट आउने गरेर फिक्स गर्यो भनेको मार्क प्राइस कुनै फिक्स गरे होला बेचेको होला जसमा चाहिँ हामीले एसपी त कस्ट प्राइस र प्रफिटबाट आइहाल्छ ओके that's why उले फिक्स गर्यो बेच पनि is also same so that you can do this one also okay 6b also you can do so now let's move to the question number 7 in question number 7 a trader purchased a laptop for Rs 40,000 and marked its price to make 24% profit okay if he sold it for Rs 63,054 with VAT calculate the rate of VAT you पनि यसमा पनि SP find out गर्न same formula you can use because cost price is given and then 24% profit percent is also there cost price पनि थाहा भयो profit percent also you know from there you can find SP and here what is given SP with VAT is given okay so what we are going to do here के गर्नु पर्ला what to do
सर पहिला एसपी निकाल्ने
okay
एसपी विथ भ्याट इज इक्वल्स टु एसपी प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट अफ एसपी को फर्मुला राख्ने अनि त्यो एसपी निक्लिसक्यो हुन्छ नि त अनि एसपी विथ भ्याट पनि दिएको छ अनि भ्याट पर्सेन्ट मात्रै उठ्यो हुन्छ नि त एउटा अननोन भ्यालु हुन्छ अनि त्यहाँबाट फाइन्ड गर्न मिल्छ
okay that is one way okay त्यहाँबाट गर्न सकिन्छ ठीक छ any other way
सर भ्याट एसपी गरेर त्यो रेट अफ भ्याट को लागि
VAT by SP into 100% गर्ने त्यो भन्दा अगाडि VAT find out गर्नु पर्यो how to find VAT how to find VAT
SP with VAT minus SP
okay good oh I think it will be easy okay SP with VAT minus SP but you can find VAT amount after finding VAT amount VAT percent or rate of VAT equals to VAT amount by SP into 100% okay from there you can easily find so in this question what you are going to do for the laptop you are writing then cost price CP equals to Rs 45,000 then profit percent P percent equals to 24% now selling price SP equals to then you can use the formula there 100 plus P percent divided by 100 into CP then just put the values then you will get the answer from there SP ko value answer okay here other values are also given here SP with VAT is also given SP with VAT means 63,054 that is SP with VAT our SP pani thaha bhayo okay we have here SP with VAT so you can find the VAT amount equals to SP with VAT minus SP then rate of VAT bhaneko VAT amount by SP into 100% okay so that you can do this one also if you have any confusion okay if I have to do this question then you can ask I will do okay kasaiलाई त्यस्तो problem छ भने you can ask me okay कसैलाई त्यस्तो problem you can then we'll another question okay so you can ask otherwise let's move to the another question in next page okay so now another page I am going to show you here another page that is question number 7b you can see here question number 7b I'm going to zoom it okay this is question number 7b in question number 7b a wholesaler purchased a few number of vacuum cleaners for Rs 14,500 each. A wholesaler purchased a few number of vacuum cleaners for Rs 14,500 each and sold to customer at 20% profit. If a customer purchased a cleaner for Rs 19,836 with VAT, find the VAT percent. Any difference? Is there any difference between this A and B? I don't think there is any difference. Okay. यसमा पनि हामीलाई के गिभन छ त cost price of a vacuum cleaner is given. Okay, for a vacuum cleaner, what is given here? Cost price is given. Cost price, that is CP, is given. Then profit percent is also given. That is P percent equals to 20%. That is also given. Okay. So first of all, we are going to find here SP, selling price, and SP with VAT is given here. So with the same process you can do.
No
Same
problem,
process. Okay, no problem. Okay, good. So now let's move to the question number 8. Okay, here in question number 8, what is given? Let's see. A shopkeeper bought a few number of pairs of shoes at Rs 3,000 per pair. At what profit percent did he sell each pair of shoes? If customer paid Rs 4,407 with 13% VAT. Okay, अब हामीलाई यहाँ खास फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने चाहिँ प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट हो. तर प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नको लागि फर्स्ट अफ अल वी आर गोइङ टु फाइन्ड देयर एसपी बिकज सीपी इज गिवन. एसपी फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्यो. टु फाइन्ड एसपी यु आर गिवन हियर एसपी विथ भ्याट एन्ड भ्याट पर्सेन्ट. ओके, अब हामीलाई एसपी विथ भ्याट पनि थाहा छ, भ्याट पर्सेन्ट पनि थाहा छ भने द्याट मिन्स वी क्यान फाइन्ड हियर एसपी. एसपी थाहा हुन्छ. ओके, एसपी थाहा भयो भने देन सीपी इज अल्सो नन. एसपी माइनस सीपी इज प्रॉफिट. Profit by CP into 100%, that is profit percent. Okay. So if you have any confusion, let's do this question then. कसैलाई त्यस्तो खालको प्रब्लम छ भने now I am going to do this one. Question number 8A. यसमा चाहिँ हामीले simply we have to find the profit percent. SP we can find. Okay, after finding SP, CP is given, then we can find the profit percent. Okay, so let's see everybody. Now let's see here on the board. Okay, so I'm going to do here on the board this question. This is question number 8A. Okay, this is question number 8A. In question number 8A, what is given? First of all, I'm going to write that one. Okay, what is given here? Here it is given. A shopkeeper bought a few number of pair of shoes at Rs 3,000 per pair. अब उसले per pair हो, हामीले पनि यहाँ खास फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने पनि के हो त प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट. जस्तो per pair मा जति पर्सेन्ट हुन्छ त्यो सबैमा पनि त्यति नै हुन्छ. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले सिम्पली फर अ पेयर अफ शूज भनेर लेख्ने हो. सबै नम्बर कति भनेर हेर्नु छैन. जस्ट वी हैव टु राइट हियर for a pair of okay, for pair shoes. For a pair of shoes, what is given here? Cost price is given. एउटा pair of shoes को हामीलाई cost price given छ. That cost price is CP. Okay, that CP is given here Rs 3,000. Okay, it is given here Rs 3,000. For a pair of shoes, cost price CP equals to Rs 3,000. Okay, हामीलाई कति given छ त? Rs 3,000. At what profit percent did here resell each pair of shoes? He paid, that is that. Okay, customer paid भनेको कस्टमरले पे गर्ने अमाउन्ट भनेको जहिले पनि के हुन्छ? That is SP with VAT. Okay, that is SP with VAT. कस्टमरले पे गर्ने भनेको SP with VAT. Okay, so let's see here. SP with VAT भनेको what is given here? SP with VAT Rs 4,407. SP with VAT is given here Rs 4,407. Okay. So can you see the board clearly? everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, केही छैन है, प्रब्लम छैन है. Okay. So cost price is given, SP with VAT is also given, and VAT percent is also given. Okay, हामीलाई त यहाँ VAT percent पनि given छ. VAT percent. अब यसको नोटेसनमै हामीलाई VAT percent, simply VAT percent मात्र लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ है. अब नोटेसनमा यस्तो छ, VAT percent equals to, you are given here 13%. VAT percent is given, and then you are asked to find the profit percent. अब हामीलाई सोधेको चाहिँ profit percent. Okay, profit percent means that is P percent equals to what? Profit percent equals to what? Okay. So what we are going to do here, अब profit को relation भनेको SP र CP सँग हुन्छ. Profit को relation भनेको SP र CP सँग हुन्छ. So CP we know here, and we have to find here SP. Okay. To find SP, you know the formula. Okay. Now we can write here now, and then SP with VAT. We are going to use the formula for SP with VAT because SP with VAT is given. हामीलाई SP with VAT पनि given छ र VAT percent पनि given छ. Okay, so SP with VAT equals to, we can write SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, we can write here SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So now let's put the values. SP with VAT means 4,407. 4,407. Okay. Then this equals to, what is SP? We have to find it. So write SP, and then plus VAT percentage means that is 13%. 13% of SP again, because we have to find here SP. Okay. So here it is 4,407 is equals to SP plus 13 by 100. 13 by 100 into SP. Okay, so what is the next step to do? You all know that. Okay, now we have to take LCM here because we have done this type of question many more times. So 100 into SP is 100 SP. Then plus 13 into SP is 13 SP divided by 100. Now next step is to multiply with 100 here. Okay, now we have to multiply here with 100. 4,407, then 2 more zeros we have to write here. And 100 SP plus 13 SP means that is 113 SP. 113 SP. Now let's divide here. 4,40,700 divided by 113. This equals to SP. Okay, this equals to SP. Now let's divide here. By dividing, we'll get SP. Let's divide it. Then we'll get here SP. Okay, so what to do here? We have to divide 4,40,700 by 113. And we'll get here 3,900. Okay, we found here 3,900. Okay, therefore what we found here? Therefore SP we found. Okay, SP we found. SP equals to RS 3,900. Okay, SP means we found here RS 3,900. But we have to find their profit percent. SP now we know. Selling price we know. Cost price also we know. Okay, selling price we know and cost price also we know. That means now we can easily find the profit. First of all, we can find the profit amount, actual profit amount. Then after that, we can find the profit percent. Okay, so let's find here. Okay, first what we are going to find? Again we are going to find their profit amount. Okay, let's find your profit amount. Do you know what is the formula for profit amount?
Profit percent of CP.
Profit percent of CP. What profit percent we have to find? Umanga, profit percent we have to find.
उयो के रे SP, selling price minus cost price.
Ah, very good. Okay, SP minus CP. Very good. SP minus CP is the correct answer here, because we know here SP and CP we know. That's why we can easily find the profit amount. Okay, so SP is 3900. You can see here SP is RS 3900, and then minus CP is here 3000. CP is 3000. Okay, so from here 3900 minus 3000 means we found here RS 900. Okay, we found here profit amount 900. Again, now we have to find profit percent. अब हामीलाई त लास्टमा सोधेको के हो त, profit percent is asked. Okay, so you can write here again by formula. Okay, because what we are going to find, what is asked, for that we write here by formula. Again by formula, profit percent. Okay, profit percent, that is P percent equals to, formula is, we have already mentioned here, P by CP into 100%, P by CP into 100%. Okay, that means profit percent means profit amount by CP into 100%. Profit amount by CP into 100%. Okay, this is the formula. So now let's write here. Profit means 900 divided by, what is CP? CP means 3000. CP is 3000, and then into 100%. Okay, we can cancel here these two zeros, and 0 we can cancel, and we found here 90 by 3%. Okay, 90 by 3% means, 90 by 3% means that is 30%. Isn't this? So we found here 30%. So what is asked here? Accordingly, we'll write here conclusion. At what profit percent did she or he sell each pair of shoes? So you can write here, hence, at 30% profit. Okay, at 30% profit, she or he. Okay, in this way it is given in the question. She or he sold each pair of shoes. Okay, in this way we have to write here conclusion. At 30% profit, she or he sold each pair of shoes. Okay, in this way we can easily find this one, because cost price was given, SP with VAT was given, and VAT percent was also given. First we found here SP by using SP, the formula for SP with VAT, and then we found profit amount, then we found here profit percent. Okay, so do you have any confusion? If you have any confusion, ask. I will make it clear. Okay, if no any confusion, then let's move to the other question, because we are going to discuss here other questions as well. We have discussed up to 8A. Now we'll discuss B. Okay, 9 number also. So because these are, I think, simple questions, so that you can do easily. Okay, that's why we are doing in this way. So now let's see other questions as well. Okay, I'm going to share other questions. Okay. Now let's see here. Now question number 8B. Okay, question number 8B. Question number 8B. A trader bought some electric blenders for Rs 4,000 per piece. He sold each blender to customer for Rs 4,332 with 14% VAT. Find his profit or loss percent. Okay, this is also the same type of question. Here also you have to first of all find SP. Okay, SP find out garisake pachadi, then which one is greater you have to see there. Okay, you have to identify which one is greater. If SP is greater, then there will be profit. If CP is greater, then there will be loss. Okay, isn't that? So how can we do this question? Question number 8B. What to do? What to do, Asru? Asru, you tell me. Asru, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me how to find profit or loss percent in question number 8B.
No, sir.
Asru, you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, Asru does not know. That means now, Kritina, do you know? Kritina? Okay, Kritina even does not know. Tamuska? Tamuska, can you tell me what to do in question number 8B?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, Tamuska does not know. Okay, now let's see. 6A. Okay. I will do. Don't worry, I will do. Okay, so Subham, do you know what to do in question number 8B?
No, sir.
So can I say?
Okay. Umanga?
Yes, sir. के अरे होइन
Okay.
एसपी विथ भ्याट दिएको छ अनि एसपी प्लस भ्याट पर्सेन्ट अफ एसपी गर्ने
Okay.
अनि एसपी मात्रै त्यहाँ अननोन भ्यालु छ अनि त्यो एसपी को भ्यालु आउँछ अनि एसपी को भ्यालु आएपछि एसपी इज इक्वल्स टु 100 प्लस पी पर्सेन्ट डिभाइडेड बाइ 100 इन्टु सिपी गरेर
Okay. Okay, त्यो त ठिकै छ। हाम्रो एसपी त पहिला फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सक्छौं हैन, सीपी गिवन नै छ।
उयो प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट गर्नको लागि पहिला सुरु उयो पनि गर्दा हुन्छ नि त एसपी माइनस सीपी गरेर
त्यही त। अब यस्तो छ यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई प्रॉफिट अब जस्तो के छ भन्दाखेरि एसपी भनेको सीपी भन्दा ठुलो आउँछ कि आउँदैन त्यो कुराले फरक पार्छ, हो के हैन?
हो लस पर्सेन्ट हो कि
हामी सबैभन्दा पहिले त हामी विथ द सेम प्रोसेस, यही प्रोसेस हो है, एभ्रिथिङ सेम त हो नि। यो क्वेसनमा केही फरक छ त? केही फरक छैन है, सेम एभ्रिथिङ। जस्तो त्यहाँ पनि कस्ट प्राइस गिभन छ, एसपी विथ भ्याट पनि गिभन छ, भ्याट पर्सेन्ट पनि गिभन छ। अब सोधेको चाहिँ आइदर प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट अर लस पर्सेन्ट हो, कुनै एउटा हुन सक्छ। त्यसको लागि फर्स्ट अफ अल यु आर गोइङ टु फाइन्ड हियर एसपी, यसरी नै आउँछ। ओके, आई हैव सॉल्व्ड हियर, सेम प्रोसेस। एसपी आउँछ, सीपी यु नो, सीपी इज गिवन। अब एसपी र सीपी लाई कम्पेरिजन गर्नु पर्यो। ओके, इफ एसपी इज ग्रेटर देन देयर इज प्रॉफिट, इफ एसपी इज लेस देन देयर इज सीपी। त्यही तरिकाले हामीले अब अदर थिङ अल्सो सेम हियर यु क्यान सी। ओके, अरु कुरा पनि सेम नै छ। ओके, सो आई थिंक यु क्यान डु दिस वान। यो गर्न सकिन्छ है। धेरैलाई मैले सोध्दाखेरि आई डोन्ट नो भनिरहेछ। आई थिंक दिस
एसपी कम आउँछ भनेपछि लस पर्सेन्ट आउँछ।
ए एसपी कम आएको छ हो?
3800 आएको छ।
ओके, ओ अब लस हुन्छ, लस पर्सेन्ट है त। अब लस पर्सेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ। अब लसको फर्मुला युज गर्नु पर्यो। लस अमाउन्ट भनेको सीपी माइनस एसपी। ओके, loss amount भनेको CP minus SP. Then from there, loss percent you can find loss by CP into 100%. You can see on the back here. Yeah, profit percent हुँदा profit by CP into 100% हुन्छ भने when there is loss, then loss by CP into 100%. Okay. Okay, so अब मैले भनिसकेको छु we are going to discuss here up to 9 number. 9 number पनि आज हामी डिस्कस गर्छौं. Okay, and before that I'm going to do question number 6A also. है मैले यहाँ 6A पनि गर्छु, question number 6A. Okay, so after rejoining, तर अब rejoining पछाडि गर्छु है त. Okay, first I'm going to do your 6A, then 9 number also we'll discuss today. 9 number also we are going to discuss. Okay, before that I will do 6 number. So everybody has to rejoin. सबैले rejoin गर्ने. Time is going to be over. Okay, so rejoin everyone. सबैले rejoin गरौ है. मैले फेरि एक ग्रुपमा ट्याग गरिरहन it would be difficult time and again. So join yourself. Time is going to. So you have to rejoin.